Welcome to this short video designed to introduce you to the Talent Retention Scheme website. So what is the Construction Leadership Council Talent Retention Scheme? The Talent Retention Scheme helps talented individuals showcase their experience and expertise while helping businesses find the skills they need. This not-for-profit programme is supported by business associations, member companies, professional institutions and trade unions. The website is designed to match employers with prospective candidates and vice versa. From the homepage seen here, you can navigate easily to the three main areas. The first area is for employers, the second for you, the candidate. The final area gives you the ability to explore an A to Z list of supporting organisations. Let's look at each of these in turn. First, we will take a quick look at the Employers page. To use the site, employers must first register. They can then post jobs and search eligible candidates for vacancies they may have. They can also have a tailored company page or microsite to promote their business, their services and their latest vacancies. More important is the candidate page. This allows you to create a profile, upload a CV, receive automated job alerts and apply for suitable posts. To make the most of the website, you must first register. On clicking register, you are given two options. We want the candidate button. The registration page has three sections. Section 1 requires your name, email, and for you to choose a password. A contact number is optional. Section 2 asks for your current and last employment details, along with your construction job family. That's what you do. The final section is additional information, your gender, date of birth and a home postcode. Don't forget to read and tick the T's and C's, and that you are not a robot. Then click register. That's you done. After clicking register, you should see this page. You will also receive a confirmation email. Remember, you must open the email and use the click here option to verify your account before you can start using the website. Clicking the link opens your web browser and displays this page. You can now follow the link to the home page and log in. So let's get logged in. To log in, you will need your email address and the password you selected earlier. Once logged in, you will see that your profile is not yet visible. You have still to upload a CV and manage your personal details. Remember, you can stay anonymous throughout this process. Updating your personal profile is pretty straightforward. There are a number of mandatory fields and these are highlighted with a red asterisk. The first of these is qualification. As you can see, there is a small drop down for this section. The next section of your profile looks at your job search preferences. The final section is your profile and CV upload. There are two questions. The first, profile, asks for your key skills and experiences. The other qualifications section can also be completed. Remember, you can redact any personal information from your CV before uploading it. If you don't have a CV or want some advice and guidance, then visit www.learnwithunite.org. Within the Members Matter area, you can create a CV and also have a member of the team cast an eye over it for you. Once happy, attach your CV using the Upload CV button. You will know it's there because you will see this information. The final task is to activate your profile using this button. If all went to plan, you will see this confirmation page. Your account is now live. We hope you have found this short video guide useful and that you can now register for the Talent Retention Scheme website.